everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what items we received in the November Sophie Toffee Elves box, as well as showing you how to make this winter crystal theme piece using the materials. If you would like to learn more about these monthly subscription boxes, you can check out the info down in the description box below. So in the November box we received multi-chrome powder, which shifts from blue to purple, Christmas holographic film, snow globe open bezels, jewellery wire, iridescent gems, a frozen themed glitter set, clear UV resin, a crystal castle and Christmas silicone mould, scepter findings, and finally some winter themed embellishments. So to begin making the figurine, I started with the crystals. So I took the silicone mould, the bottle of UV resin, some blue and purple iridescent dyes which I had from a previous Elves box, and then also some silver leaf. I used a toothpick to gently pull away sections of the silver leaf and place it randomly around the mould. I then used the blue and purple glitters to begin making a resin mixture to pour into the mould. I started off with the blue one and mixed it all together using my toothpick. Then you can just pour it inside the mould, and you'll need to cure the resin with a UV light or by placing it out in the sun. I then just repeated the same process for the purple crystal as well. Next I created a white and silver glitter mixture to use for the reindeer, which I poured into the larger Christmas themed mould. Again, you need to cure the UV resin and then you can demold the pieces. For the base of the figurine, I'm using some of my pearly white polymer clay and shaping it into a flat dome down on my work surface. I then took my Sculpey Bacon Bond liquid clay to act like a glue when I placed my resin pieces into the clay. This will help join the resin to the clay and keep the pieces nice and secure after baking as well. I also added on some little rocks that I shaped using Primo Grey Granite polymer clay and attached these to the base. When you're happy with the design, it then needs to be baked in the oven according to your clay package's instructions, and yes, the resin is also safe to go into the oven. So once mine had been baked and cooled, I then added some extra gems and detailing using the supplies from the box, and I just connected these to the base using the UV resin as a glue. And then that is everything for this tutorial. Here is what my finished piece turned out looking like. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty videos. You can also check out all the info down below on the subscription boxes, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!